I want to add a disk to a server that's already been created in Google Cloud Platform. Let's figure out how to do that. Here I am in Google Cloud and Compute Engine, and notice I have one machine created called Server 1. I want to add another disk to that machine. So let's go down here to Disks, and then let's create the new disk. So we'll call this Server 1 Disk 2. Notice under disk types, there's three options: standard, SSD, and balanced persistent disk. Standard is the cheapest, but it's also the slowest. SSD disks are the fastest, but they're also the most expensive. Balanced persistent disks are in the middle. Let's say cost is more important to us right now than speed. So we'll pick standard persistent disk. Under region and zone, we want to make sure the disk is in the same zone as the machine we're going to attach it to. So that machine we created was in US East 4, Zone A. We can make the disk as big as we want. Let's say we don't need all that space. We'll make it 50 gigabytes and then hit create. The disk is now ready, but notice it's not in use by anything. We want to attach it to our server, Server 1. So let's go back up to VM instances, and we'll select Server 1, and we're going to click the Edit button right here. Now scroll down a little bit, and we'll find our disk. So our boot disk, that's a disk with the same name as the server name, but now we're going to add a new disk. All right, so notice here we could create a new one, or we can attach an existing disk. We already created the disk, so we'll attach an existing one, and there's our disk. Server 1, disk 2, click Done, and then click Save. Okay, that operation seemed to completed. Let's go back to disks. There's our disk number 2, and notice now it's in use by server number 1. That's it. This is Doug Renstrom with ROI Training.